Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are cooking yakisoba, a popular, easy-to-cook street food, loved for its savory fried noodles with crisp veggie and juicy meat. Simple yet delicious, yakisoba is a versatile dish perfect for any occasion. Let's dive into the flavors and techniques of making this classic at home. First, slightly open the noodle packets and microwave them about a minute. This softens them up nicely. Now, let's chop our veggies. Slice the onion into about 5mm pieces and cut the carrots into thin rectangles. Roughly chop the cabbage, just like this. Start by adding a large tablespoon of salad oil to a frying pan, and begin by stir-frying the vegetables. Since onions and carrots takes longer to cook compared to other vegetables, fry them first. Once they're somewhat cooked, add the rest of vegetables. After all the vegetables are cooked through, take them out of the pan and set aside. Next, in the same pan, let's cook the pork. Season it with a bit of salt and pepper and add just 1 packet of yakisoba sauce. Stir well to avoid burning. After the pork is cooked, set it aside too. Then it's noodle time. Add the noodles to the pan. Once they start separating, mix in the remaining 2 sauce packets. Make sure every strand gets coated with the delicious sauce. Now, the fun part. Add the veggies and pork back into the pan with the noodles. Give everything a good toss, and there you have it. Your yakisoba is ready. Let's plate this up. I recommend a large, slightly deep plate. Topping it with a fried egg is also a favorite idea. And here you go! Just look at this beautiful yakisoba. The balance of flavors from the noodles, veggies, and pork is just perfect. And don't forget, you can always top it with a fried egg, pickled ginger, seaweed flakes, or even mayonnaise. Here's what we used today. 3 packets of yakisoba noodles, 1/8 of cabbage, half an onion, a pack of bean sprout, 20 grams of carrot, 100 grams of thinly sliced pork, 3 packets of yakisoba sauce that come with the noodles, salt and pepper to taste, pickled ginger if you like it. Thank you so much for watching. How did you like it today's recipe? If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel and give us some up. And if there is Japanese dish you'd like us to make, drop a comment below. See you next time. Bye bye!